Ken Lebo with InsurTech Express, and today we're going to talk more about ChatGPT plugins and really get into the value of using a plugin. And we're going to focus on one today called CapCut. Now, yes, I'm getting in the holiday spirit with the music and the background here because it is almost Christmas in 2023. But this is another how-to educational video. So let's get started. So first of all, as I stated in previous videos, in order to use plugins in ChatGPT, you must subscribe to ChatGPT Plus, which costs $20 a month. And then you go into plugins and you search for the plugin that you want and in the plugin store, and then you add the plugin. And in this case, this plugin is called CapCut. Now, before you can use CapCut, like with many plugins, you need to maybe create an account with the vendor on their website. And so I just automatically always asks me my Google account as a default, so I don't have to fill in a registration form. I just click my Google link and I'm done. I'm registered. Now, I get asked a lot, Ken, well, if we're doing all this, why do we need ChatGPT? Why don't we here we are on the website of CapCut. We just logged in. We know that there's certain features that are free and other things that they try to charge you money for. But why not just use the website? And here's the answer. Number one, the website has a lot of functions and features. You need to learn how to use it. And you can shortcut that by just using ChatGPT prompts to do all the work for you, which you can't do in the software because you just have to learn how to use the software. Okay. Secondly, the most powerful thing is to use multiple plugins to accomplish a task. So in this case, I used Web Pilot, okay, which is designed to go out to websites and find the information you're looking for. And I'm using CapCut to create a video. Okay. Now, I could do the same thing by using PDFs. There's a lot of PDF, Ask PDF, it's the most popular one, but there's a lot of PDF plugins. And with the PDF plugin, I have Access PDFs and Docs. I could use that and focus on just a specific PDF and say, create a video from this PDF. Or I can just tell CapCut what I want it to do a video on. So in this case, I just picked the my Web Pilot and CapCut as the two plugins. And in ChatGPT, now that they're both been selected, I said, very simple, make a video about life insurance underwriting. Didn't really give it much more information than that. Just wanted to see what it can come up with. So it responded with, to create a video about life insurance underwriting, I'll first draft a script that covers all the key aspects. So it gives you the script, understanding life insurance underwriting. It gets like a basic understanding. And here's a welcome. And first, let's explore underwriting and life insurance, which, and then focusing on medical, doing it like a paramed exam and etc. Decision-making process, and in conclusion. So this is just, again, I just asked a very high-level questions, and it searched the web to find the information that I need using that web plugin, and then it used CapCut to create the video. And I responded, yeah, it looks good. Please make the video. I didn't ask for any changes to the script. It took about a minute, believe it or not. It was quick. The video about understanding life insurance underwriting has been created. You can view and download the video following this link. Please note that it may take about a minute to make the video and load when clicking the link. And if you have any feedback, click here. Okay, so I clicked the link and here's the video. And now let me play the video for you. Click play.
Welcome to our insightful journey into the world of life insurance underwriting. Life insurance underwriting is a critical process that determines the eligibility and premium rates for applicants seeking life insurance coverage. First, let's explore what underwriting is. Underwriting in life insurance involves assessing the risk associated with insuring an individual. This process is crucial for insurance companies to maintain a balance between risk and profitability. Now, let's delve into the steps of underwriting. It begins with the application, where the applicant provides personal information, including health history, lifestyle, occupation.
You get the picture, just like the script, right? This is a 2-minute video or 1 minute and 54 seconds. Amazing. Just taking, imagine all the hours it would take to write your script and get the right graphics and do the voice and everything and put the captions in. And here in just 1 minute, boom, your video is created. And then you can edit it. You can use CapCut to do the editing, or you could download the video and use your own video editor and do video editing. All right, that's my lesson for today. Using 2 plugins, creating a video in a minute that you could really use in your presentation, or you could use it for social media, whatever you like. And all the time and money it saves you by using a ChatGPT plugin. I hope everyone has a great holiday. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. Thank you.